Good morning. I am the Pinglia brother. I am Gursurinder Pinglia. 27 October 21 century. I request him Joe Biden and President Trump. They have 2 months more over there. November and December. You people very hard work. Now how many politics, government officer, White House, they have lot of Prime Minister, President, they take administration with him. Now see my hand, I talk to him truth. You people, where is the Philadelphia, Chicago, other state? They are drug people sitting, you sitting with drug people with him. Then who deliver the drug? Then you people catch him, with him judge they shoot him like a Bin Laden. Judge, he is with him like a drug people sitting over there. No need government office. You sitting where his crime, politics, government officer. They walking with him where his crime, Philadelphia, yeah, other state. And majority leader, they are sitting where his drug people. You play with him, drug people with him. Country history honesty. Where his United States strange blood. They make the fraudulent aid. Strange people. After FBI strange coming, murder people, strange people coming in the South Plainfield, South Clinton Avenue, 3046, 3047. That's the country history university. His chief, Anthony Guterres, he said world clock change. Now everybody speak English. Where his country, he is born, yeah, his business, country to country, change his duty. Where his drug over there, people, you have how many people with him partnership? How many business you have? I have little business. United States government, strange people. When he is George W. Bush, $900,000 stolen, where is the World Bank? His responsibility. Money where he go? Who stolen the money? Piscataway, Lady of Fatima School, they close. Where is the education department in United States? Yeah, New Jersey. United States, he the strange blood they born. That's why he don't care the Pinglia brother case. Strange FBI coming, they stolen the trailer. I don't know how many people they go over there, Mexico or other country. Strange Prime Minister, President, they never, one day he break down the tunnel. Barack Obama, he make the plan, he tunnel break down. He don't know nothing. Who put on the letter, Pinglia brother engaged? Court has a never sense. They need the proof. You take 3,000 troops, India. They have movie system. Where is Barack Obama? What they are doing? Crime. You give to him the China in the business. Before, how many Prime Minister, President, Atwadi go over there in the red carpet walking? You stop. That's why he people, he need the work in the China. You said threaten, they never threaten. They have education, yeah, technology. With him, grow up the business. You shut down his business. This is bad luck on United States. You throw in the atom bomb in the Japan. This is bad time coming in United States. You have no education. That's why running with sex or drug with him, cash money. Where his Philadelphia drug deliver? Go over there, catch him. How much he get the money? You are nonsense. Prime Minister, President, they making me trouble. In the United States, they have strange blood-borne. Amara said, nobody born. Now I talk to him, you are the strange blood. That's why I am the problem. That's why don't care. Just need money. Election, sex scandal, United States, Prime Minister, President. Talk to him, any president, they receive the paper, he said, I don't know nothing. But they are doing only children take care. Thank you, bye. I have no time. I early morning wake up. Late go home. Nonsense American, he said he is the Atwadi. America, he is the Atwadi, United States, 100%. Thank you, bye. Watch my video, 128 country. Blow up in the world, I need the help. I live in the United States, very dangerous situation. Now politics, with him drug, where his plane, chartered plane, they take the drug, you sitting with the drug, then you carry the drug and cash money. Thank you, bye.